Hello guys, happy Saturday. Look what I got, some bistec with a little bit of chile, some beans, a little bit of rice. I have some safe chile from the taco shop. Take a bite. Here you go, cheers. So good. Nothing like some meat, some rice and some beans. So good. I also got some grapes. I also have some mango I want to cut up in a little bit. Some tahini. They're so juicy. I feel like it's still not spicy enough for me. One more bite. Okay, it's spicy now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.